Hi everyone, it's Miss Quisler. Today I want to give you a little introduction to using watercolor paints, and I want to show you how I made this watercolor pattern turtle. Take a look. Before I show you how I use my watercolor set, I'm going to use this Sharpie to draw a turtle so I have something fun to paint. I'm using a Sharpie today because this is a permanent marker and I'm going to be painting on top of it with something wet. And if I use a regular kind of marker, the marker is probably going to smudge when I paint on top of it. So for this project, a Sharpie marker works great. You could also try a pencil or a black crayon. Watch how I draw the rest of my turtle. Okay, now that my drawing is done, I'm ready to use my watercolors. Today I have a medium-sized paintbrush, I have a cup of water, a paper towel, and my set of watercolors. These watercolors are dry to start out. Even though they look kind of shiny, the paint is hard and it doesn't move anywhere until I add water to it. Watch how I add water to these watercolor pans to get them ready to paint. I'm going to dip in my water with my brush, and then I'm going to drip the water inside the oval pan like this. And I'm going to do that 3 times. Dip and drip, and one more time, dip and drip, and then I'm going to stir the puddle around like this. Now I've got red paint on my brush, and I'm ready to spread it on my paper. I can dip in the puddle again if I feel like I'm running out of paint, and then I can keep going. When I'm ready to switch colors, I am first going to rinse off my brush so I don't make a mess of the colors in my watercolor set. Now I'm going to activate another color. Dip and drip, dip and drip, dip and drip, and stir a little bit. And now my yellow is ready to go. Next, I want to show you what to do if you accidentally have a muddy looking puddle inside one of your colors, like I have with my orange here. I'm going to do the same thing and dip and drip, stir a little bit. Then I'm going to use my paper towel to soak up the muddy puddle, and then I'll start again. And now when I dip and drip, you'll see the bright orange underneath. While you are painting with watercolors, you might also want to experiment with mixing colors together. I try not to mix colors together in my watercolor ovals because that makes them messy for the next time I want to paint with them. Instead, I like to mix my colors right on my art table by adding 2 colors together and swirling them around like this. Now, if you're painting at home, it might not be on an art table, so you're going to have to ask permission before you mix colors like this. Another way to mix at home would be on a ceramic plate or in a plastic tray. When we're back together in the art room though, I'll let you mix colors on the table just like this. Take a look at how I finish painting in my watercolor turtle. Kiddos, I can't wait to see the artwork that you're making at home. Please remember to share it with me. Thanks for watching, everyone.